How to download Fortnite on PC or laptop. So if you want to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with the incognito window. Once you're under the incognito window, now you need to go with search, and you need to search for Fortnite.com or just search for Fortnite. Once you search, here you need to scroll down, and here you will have your Fortnite application, or just scroll down and here you will have Fortnite download. You can simply click on it, and here you need to provide your age and then go with continue. And here on the right side you will have get option. You just need to simply click on get, and you just need to simply sign into your Epic Games, and after that you will receive a code to the email address. You just need to simply enter the code right here, and once you enter it, go with continue and just go with I've read and agreed to the end user license agreement and go with accept. And after that you'll have this kind of interface. You can go and place an order and you'll be able to buy that and you'll be able to download it. And you just need to simply search for Fortnite, or here you'll get the Fortnite. You just need to simply click on login and play. You'll get the Fortnite right here. You just need to simply go with get, which is on the right side, and you'll be able to download it from here also. So that's it. That's how you can download your Fortnite on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.